Hi friend, I am Chef Nasir. Today we will make dum biryani. To make the biryani, you have to wash the rice first. This is long grain basmati rice. Wash it first and soak it about 2 hours. This is first step. Then second step, this is crispy fried brown onion that is called barista. So this should be done in beginning. Then we will go for next step. Now for the chicken biryani, you have to take the chicken, wash it properly. Then chopped onion, chopped tomatoes, lemons, slitted green chili, green coriander chopped, coriander powder that is called dhania powder, Kashmiri red chili powder and spicy red chili powder that's together mix. And this is turmeric. This is khada masala mix, yogurt or dahi you can call. This is ginger, garlic, green chili and mint paste. This is oil. Now this is rose water. And this is saffron food color. If you have saffron, you can use it. But if it is not available, you can use the saffron food color. And salt as per required. And for the raita, you need to have chopped tomato, chopped cucumber, chopped onion. Now we have to marinate the chicken. This biryani, you will get nice masala biryani. There is little bit difference in Hyderabadi biryani and this masala biryani. Hyderabadi biryani, they are not putting the tomato in it. The rest of all the procedure is same. And then lemon juice. If you squeeze the lemon juice in it or put the lemon juice, you will get nice slightly sour taste into the biryani, which is giving making more delicious and giving nice taste to the masala. That's why little bit lemon juice can be added in it. After putting all this, marinate it. If you have enough time, you can marinate the chicken overnight. If not enough time, then you at least 3-4 hours. If it is marinated, it will give better taste in the biryani, because that all the fleshes of the chicken that get the involved into the masala if it is marinated earlier. If no time, then you have to do it on the spot as I am doing. So that is the better tip to make it more delicious. Okay. Now the next step, you have to put all the khada masala in it. Heat up the oil and put khada masala. And along that, you have to keep ready water for boiling to boil the rice. Now this is water for the rice. When masala crackle, I am going to put the onion, because I want masala biryani nice, delicious and tasty. In Hyderabadi biryani you will not get more masala, but it has different taste. And this is Mughlai type biryani I am going to make. It is to be added with little bit masala to make the more delicious and tasty. If you follow this procedure, this will be easy. When onion turn light brown, you have to put the tomatoes in it. And then green chili. As of I told you in beginning, we are going to make the nice masala biryani. So this masala should be cooked properly. When the tomato turns soft, that means masala has done. You have to put the khada masala in the boiling water, in which we will have to boil the rice to get the more flavor into the rice and taste. And then you have to put the salt as per requirement and cover it and let the water boiling. It should be rapidly boiled water, then you will get the perfect length of rice. The rice should be long in length after cooked. Now look at this, tomato has turned soft already. Now I am going to put marinated chicken in it. This is the marinated chicken. And mix it well. Mix it very well. Little oil should be floated on the masala or chicken added masala to get the perfect texture and consistency of the oil into the food or into the rice. Because sometimes what happen, if less oil is there, then biryani becomes dry and the rice after cooking looks dry. So that should not happen. You should have perfect judgment of it. Look in the handi, little oil is floating up, so that much oil is enough. And then at this step you have to taste the salt in this way. Then cover it and let it cook about 10 minutes on medium flame, because you have to stir it in mid time, because it should not. But after in mid time, that means after 5 minutes, you have to check it again and turn it upside down. Mix it well. See, the masala is getting done and I can feel the flavor of it. It looks mouth watering. Look at this. This is the purpose, to cook the chicken about 90% into the masala, so that at certain time chicken should not remain uncooked. That's why this procedure is easy. And then again I am going to cover it for another 5 minutes. Now after 5 minutes, see the chicken looks very good and cooked as I want. Now the 90% chicken have done. Then you have to taste again the salt, because in the biryani, if seasoning is perfectly added, then you will get the perfect taste into the biryani. So this is perfect to taste. I have tasted already. Whenever you are going to make it, taste the masala in this way. Shake it, put it on hand and taste it. You can feel the taste. Now this is done. You can put off the fire. Now next step. Now water has been boiling. Look at the water. It has been boiling already. In the boiling water, you can put little oil in it. If no need, no problem. If you don't put. Now this is rice. In the rapidly boiling water, I am putting it, as I told you in beginning. The chicken is done 90%. You have to put the barista in it, which is made earlier. Save little bit to put on the rice when we are putting it on the dum, and mix it well. This barista giving nice flavor into the masala and increase the taste in biryani. It is, you have to mix it well. After 5 minutes, you check the rice. Yeah, it is 90% done. See, look at this. It should be separated. When it is 90% done, you have to confirm again about the salt. Taste it. If requires salt, you can add in it to get the perfect taste. If I am putting little bit salt in it. And then switch off the fire. And strain out this water into the strainer. Straining the rice, I am going to make the other step. Look at this. I am putting this tawa to make it, cook it on dum. I am putting this boiled rice. This I am putting layer by layer. This is the first layer of rice in the handi. Then put the cooked masala. Spread all over. Spread this masala all over. Now the masala is spreaded all over. Then again I am going to put the leftover rice on it. Now after covering the rice, you have to sprinkle the leftover barista. And the chopped green coriander. This is rose water, giving nice flavor into the biryani. Sprinkle all over. This is rose water. And the melted saffron or saffron food color. Look at this. After this procedure, if you needed the dough, you can stick the dough on border of the handi. If not, then you can follow this procedure. If you have nice clean cloth, you can cover it like this and leave it on. This is also dum cooking. So this is called dum cooking, okay? And let it cook about 10 minutes about on high flame, and then reduce the flame to cook about 30 minutes till the smoke seeping out from the handi. So I'm leaving it on 10 minutes for high flame. Let it cook 10 minutes on high flame, and then I'll reduce the flame to till all the smokes come out from the side of handi. Now after half an hour, see the smoke started coming out. You can see clearly. That means biryani has done. And then put off the fire. Then I am going to make the raita. That is the accompaniment of biryani. Now this is for raita. Chopped tomato. It was cut it already. I showed you in the video. Then salt to taste. And of course yogurt or dahi. You can squeeze the lemon juice in it if you want, but most of the people, they don't prefer sour. So the yogurt is giving the natural sour taste in it. So you have to mix it. Look at this. Now this is raita or cucumber. It's ready to serve. Now when it is ready, I am going to serve the biryani. Oh, now look at this. It's excellent. I can feel the fragrance and flavor in it. Look, all rice has been separated. Look at this. It's excellent biryani. Nice masaledar. Now it's ready to serve. Come karde. Now as per the hotel industry rule, food should be attractive in appearance. Look at this. It's ready to serve and ready to eat with the raita. And then if you want to make it more presentable, you can scatter on brown onion, and chopped green coriander can be scattered on it. So it is ready. Thank you and enjoy.